Want to boost your cybersecurity skill? TryHackMe is your interactive playground to practice and master your hacking techniques in a controlled and safe environment. Today, I'm going to walk you through a website that helps you in your cybersecurity journey. TryHackMe is one of the best platforms for learning cybersecurity. It teaches users from beginner to professional, offer a wide range of virtual lab challenges and guided learning paths, which cover various topics such as ethical hacking, penetration testing, network security, and cryptography, and more. In this video, I will walk you through creating your first account in TryHackMe, and also I will introduce you with the roadmap to becoming a professional cybersecurity engineer. Guys, let's get started and create our first account in TryHackMe. So first of all, open your browser and there search for TryHackMe. Click enter. There, click on the first URL, TryHackMe Cybersecurity Training. And once you open the TryHackMe website, go to join for free, and here enter your credential, username, email, password. And then click sign up. So once you're done with your credential, TryHackMe will ask you some questions. What is your level of experience with cybersecurity? So click I'm completely new to cybersecurity and click continue. Then they will ask about, are you familiar with concepts like IP, HTTPS, and DNS? So click no, then click continue. So it asks about what best describe you. So we will choose I'm a student or intern, then click continue. So we need to complete our profile. So how did you hear about TryHackMe? You can choose any option from drop-down menu. An institute type, you can choose school. An institute name, we can type school as an example, and click start learning. So TryHackMe will welcome you, so click on start learning to start your cybersecurity journey. So here, close this and you're good to go. This is the first page of TryHackMe, and this is the first intro to your cybersecurity journey, and it is intro to offensive security. So we need to go to click on learn, then click on learn, and here click on learning roadmap. So it have two options. In learning roadmap, it have two options: premium roadmap and free roadmap. So the first step is you need to have basic computer science knowledge. So you can start with pre-security. Once you complete the pre-security, so you can go and learn the cybersecurity foundation. You can start with introduction to cybersecurity and start with complete beginner. So complete these courses. Then there's another course that teach you the careers that is in cybersecurity. So cybersecurity, there it provides you with various types of careers in cybersecurity. In here, it provides you with three types of careers in cybersecurity. The first one is security analyst. The second one is penetration tester. The third one is security engineer. Security analyst, we have two options: SOC level and SOC level 2. In penetration tester, we have three options: junior penetration tester, web foundation, and red teaming. And security engineer, we have three options: security engineer, dev, SecOps, and attacking and defending AWS. So this is the best website that you can start your cybersecurity journey. And just don't forget that, and don't just rely on this website. You can search deep for cybersecurity, other courses. Just don't rely on this. This helps you to start your cybersecurity journey. It also gives you a lot more information in cybersecurity and also give you a practical and challenging labs. So thank you guys for watching this video, and remember, knowledge without action is like magic without wonder. So take this knowledge, apply it, and see the impossible become possible. Have a great time. Bye bye. See you in the next video.